In a split second, everything was swept away. Solid houses, cars weighing tons, all helpless before the power of nature. What you are about to witness is not a scene from a movie, but the harsh reality of natural disasters. When floodwaters overflow, nothing can stop them. Today, we will explore the scariest moments of floods, where Mother Nature shows her anger, sweeping away everything in her path. But not only that, this video also helps you better understand the causes, consequences, and how people can protect themselves from natural disasters. Make sure you watch until the end, because the upcoming moments will leave you unable to take your eyes off. This was an extremely serious natural disaster due to heavy rains lasting for many days.
Maybe shut the door.
Causing many rivers in the area to burst their banks and cause widespread flooding. The floodwaters were so strong that they washed away entire major roads in many places, especially around the city of Boulder. Some roads were torn apart by water, turning into deep ravines and completely unusable. There were sections of highways that were completely destroyed, leaving many communities isolated. Hundreds of homes, vehicles, and bridges were swept away in the blink of an eye. Traffic was disrupted for many days. Local authorities had to mobilize rescue teams by helicopter to evacuate people from the danger zone. Waters flow into cities at an uncontrollable rate. When we concrete the ground, the water has nowhere to go, creating terrible floods even in places without rivers and streams. Climate change is also a big factor. As the Earth gets hotter, the polar ice caps melt, sea levels rise, and floods are no longer a rare occurrence. Do anything. If we know how to prepare and join hands to protect the environment, we can minimize the impact of floods. Build dikes, install early warning systems, conduct evacuation training. Advanced countries have applied many flood prevention measures such as building dike systems, improving drainage systems, and using early warning technology to protect people. Most importantly, each of us can contribute a small part by protecting forests, reducing plastic waste, limiting pollution to keep nature in balance. The sky suddenly darkened. The wind howled like a monster. Super typhoon. Ewiniar, with winds of 280 kilometers per hour, rushed straight to the shore, sweeping away everything in its path. Giant waves submerged the shore. Floodwaters poured through the city like waterfalls. In the distance, rescuers struggled in the storm, racing against death. Ewiniar swept through the Philippines, Taiwan, Japan, leaving behind scenes of devastation.
오, 야,
Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.